my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Shiba. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more new updates about Shiba. As you can see, first of all, we look the price of the Shiba coin in this time very high, and we are very perfect to invest in this coin, friends. At this time, friends, 0.00002 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba. Very cheap price. Please kindly buy now. It's a very best for investment. As you can see here, before investing, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, friends. If we talk about the change occur in the Shiba coin, so absolutely moving upward, very fastly moving upward. As you can see here, the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 7 day change is positive, and there are new cryptocurrencies, so absolutely best for investment, friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Shiba coin. What's the change goes in the Shiba coin in the last 1 hour, friends. After that, we look the last 1 day price prediction, and this video especially for all new holders, new who's want to make money with the cryptocurrency. So Shiba coin is the best for investment. Please buy a Shiba coin because now they are very cheap, and you can easily take it in the cryptocurrency market. As you can see here, if we look at the change occur in the Shiba in the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour change is absolutely very good. 17.76% change occur only in the last 1 hour, and the price is about 0.00002 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba coin at this time, friends. That is the last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now on the screen, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes in the Shiba coin, friends. As you can see here, absolutely the market move upward. A big explosion of the Shiba coin starts now, very fastly moving upward. As you can see here, the change occur in the last 1 day, and the Shiba coin is about 69.38% change occur in the Shiba, and the high price of Shiba is about 0.00002 USD dollar is the current price. This is a high price of the last 1 day, friends. So according to me, please, my suggestion for all of you, if you want to make money in cryptocurrency market, so Shiba is the best for investment. Before investment, please do your own research. I'm the financial advisor, friends. As you can see here, the next target of the Shiba coin is also a big move. As you can see here now, currently they take a continuously moving upward, friends. So the next move of the Shiba coin are very big. In April, they can hit half USD dollar, 0.50 USD dollar as a target of Shiba coin in the April month. What's your opinion about Shiba token? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.